I'm Money Magnets. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to make money selling your prompts. Whether you're a creative writer, artist, or simply someone with a great idea, there's a growing demand for unique and powerful prompts in our market. And in this video, we are going to show you how you can cash in on this opportunity and turn your creativity into profit. Let's get started. So the website I'm talking about is PromptBase. So PromptBase is a marketplace that you can sell GPT-3, DALL-E, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion prompts. So it looks something like this. Once you are here, you can sign up and start selling on this. But know that the price of a prompt is around $3.99, $2.99, $2.99. So typically around $2 to $5 around here is what I can see. So some of these prompts seems to be very, very interesting. Let's take a look at this glowing neon art. So this is very, very interesting. This one looks cool as well. This looks very cute. As you can see, about the seller has sold in total about 221 of his total collection. So imagine this. You spend a lot of time crafting the perfect prompt and you think this prompt is something that people will want to buy. Why not upload it into PromptBase and start making passive income from there? Here are some of the bigger prompts providers. As you can see, pretty cool. This Naruto look-alike. Let's take a look at the second one. This one looks way much more cooler. I like this. Something like the art style of comic style, a bit of, Disney, a little bit of that. This one looks really cool as well. Women in lingerie. I bet a lot of people would like this. Yeah, this looks really cool as well. It's like in the olden days. Ooh, I like these sculptures. So having to create prompts that comes out with a certain style and be consistent at that certain style, that is actually very valuable. Here's another by another artist. This looks really cool. This looks like someone that I know. Yeah. For those of you who know what I'm talking about, yeah, Block Cities as well. I think I've seen some of the NFTs that look something like this as well. So, well, as you can see, a great prompt will be able to create something that looks like this. You can even find GPT-3 as well, such as Facebook ad campaign. So this is something that if you spend a lot of time on ChatGPT, maybe you can come up with prompts and start selling it on to this marketplace itself. So if you're good at prompt engineering, a new word of saying how to create great prompts, prompt engineering, I really like that name. There is no other way that you can actually make money other than, selling what your prompt gives you. But what if your prompt is great, it's unique, and you feel that this prompt is something that can help people out there? You can start selling it on PromptBase. But do know they actually take a 20% cut. But so what? I mean, they provide you the platform, and chances are they also provide you the traffic. So that's a good trade-off. But you don't necessarily actually have to sell on PromptBase. If you have your own audience, you can of course sell it on Gumroad on your own website as well. The reason why people buy prompts is that even for me myself, I use ChatGPT almost every single day, is that sometimes it can get frustrating when you are spending so many hours on crafting the perfect prompt, but the output just doesn't quite cut it. So people will spend a lot more money on a prompt that can help them save a lot more time. The other thing about just selling prompts, you can also offer your services as a prompt engineer. So people will actually go into PromptBase and hire an engineer. And this is what are some of those people who are offering their services as a prompt engineer. So let's take a look at this one. This, maybe some Midjourney as well. So they are selling it at the price of $29.99 per custom prompt. This one selling at $89.99 at custom prompt as well. And this guy is selling it at $149.99 per custom prompt. So it's great that you're actually showcasing what sort of work that you have done for your prompts before. And that actually attracts more people to want to hire you as well. So yeah, this is a quick tip on how you can sell prompts and make money online. A little bit more different as compared all the traditional side hustles out there. This is more of a new age, interesting and upcoming ones out there as well. I foresee this one is going to blow up significantly. As you can see, the AI wave is here and everyone is going crazy about AI, and it will only get better, especially for all these prompt engineers out there. I suspect even companies will want to hire prompt engineers to make sure that their companies are using the best outputs from all of these AI products out there. But let me know what you think. Do you think selling AI prompts is a good way to make money online? Let me know in the description below. If you like more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out the videos that are posted out here and some of the links down there as well. So that's all for now. I'll see you next one. Bye.